Just wearing an ID card strapped around the neck is not enough anymore. The Pune Municipal Corporation has now made it compulsory for all the employees, officers, contract workers, and as well as the visitors to carry a valid identity card before entering the premises of Pune Municipal Corporation PMC. The civic body has introduced a strict rule, that is no ID, no entry, after recent security concerns including a bomb threat email that has been received at Municipal Corporation Pune office. As we have seen, the email warned about a possible blast at important government offices. Following the threat, police, bomb detection teams, and other security agencies rushed to the municipal corporation at Pune office at the building, and even employees were asked to leave the premises while the entire detailed search regarding the operation was carried out. Although nothing suspicious was found at the threat, that has been turned out to be a false incident that raised a serious concerns about the security inside the government office. After reviewing the security arrangements, the administration has now taken this decision to introduce a stricter rules for the entry into the building. Under the new rule, every employee, officer, consultant, outsourced workers and contractor staff member must carry and display a valid identity card while entering the premises of Pune Municipal Corporation office. Officials said that many employees were seen wearing only the identity card lace on their neck without actually carrying the real identity card for the verification. Now, such employees may not be allowed to enter the building until they show the valid identity card. Security guards have been instructed to check identity cards carefully at all the entry gates of the corporation. The new rule also applied to the visitors, people coming to the municipal corporations for their work. Now may have to show their identification and complete entry the formalities before entering the building. The administration has also increased security checks at the entrance and strengthened monitoring inside the headquarters as well as the premises. Officials say these measures are necessary because hundreds of employees and the citizens visit the Pune Municipal Corporation building every day. The aim is to make sure that every person entering the premises can be identified and the security remains strong at all the times, so these type of bomb threat mails should not come at the Pune Municipal Corporation. As we have seen every day, thousands to many people come to the building. The municipal corporation says security is now on the top priority. Whether you are an employee, officer, contractor or visitor, carrying a valid identity card is must. Now the message is simple, that no identity card, no entry at the premises of Pune Municipal Corporation. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.